Hello everyone. So today we will be making some eggless no oven chocolate cake. Let's make it. So first of all we will be taking this half cup milk and pouring it in. Now adding half tablespoon vinegar to the milk and we'll mix it nicely and we'll let it rest for some time. So after 5 minutes now our milk has curdled and this is our buttermilk and it is now ready to use. Now I'm adding sugar, 1/3 cup of sugar to this buttermilk, 1/4 cup of oil. You can use any oil. I have used vegetable oil here. Adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix it all up together. Nicely mixing it all up. So we'll have to beat this very nicely. Till nicely combined. So here I have 1/3 cup of maida. Now I'm adding it to this mixture. This is sifted before, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now to this we are adding half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we need to mix this very nicely. So the batter is almost ready. Go on mixing it nicely like this till you get a uniform and smooth batter like this. We will put it in the microwave in this bowl itself and we will cook it for just 3 minutes on high power. Wow, so our yummy chocolate cake is out of the microwave. See, fully baked. We'll just have to wait for it to cool down a little. Then we will be topping it up with some chocolate ganache.
Now I'm adding some homemade yummy chocolate ganache.
Spreading it all over. Yummy and easiest chocolate cake is ready in just 3 minutes. It looks so good. So I'll just cut and show you. Wow, just so good, rich, tasty and yummy. Can you look at it? Wow, wow. Just look at it. Soft, yummy and so good.
This is one of the best chocolate cake you have ever tried. Just try it out and let me know how you have liked it. Do give it a like and share your comments. See you soon.